Children today, the world tomorrow. Children need love and time to talk. Children grow with every word from parents.
I want to be a firefighter.
You mean, I want to be a firefighter?
I want to be a firefighter.
That's a brave job.
I want to help people.
That's a great dream.
I'll practice being strong.
Don't say, I want to be a firefighter. You should say, I want to be a firefighter. I want is wrong. I want is true. Say again.
I want to be a firefighter.
Last time.
I want to be a firefighter. We was playing in the yard.
Let's say we were playing in the yard.
We were playing in the yard.
What did you play?
Hide and seek.
Classic. Who won?
I did.
Don't say, we was playing in the yard. You should say, we were playing in the yard. Remember, we were true. We was wrong. Say again.
We were playing in the yard.
Last time.
We were playing in the yard. There are lots of deers in the forest.
We say, lots of deer, not deers.
There are lots of deer in the forest.
That's right. Did you see them?
Just a few. They ran fast.
They're shy animals.
But so pretty.
Don't say, there are lots of deers in the forest. You should say, there are lots of deer in the forest. Deer is special. One deer, two deer. No S needed. Say again.
There are lots of deer in the forest.
Last time.
There are lots of deer in the forest.
Hello, Lily. Where are you going?
I'm going to the supermarket to buy some things.
Don't you have any homework today?
I have not any homework today.
Let's say I don't have any homework today.
I don't have any homework today.
Good, Lily. You're a smart girl. Don't say, I have not any homework today. You should say, I don't have any homework today. Say again.
I don't have any homework today.
Last time.
I don't have any homework today. I brought my toy to school.
Actually, it's I brought my toy to school.
I brought my toy to school.
Did your friends like it?
Yes, everyone wanted to play with it.
That's fun, but be sure to share.
Yeah, I did.
Don't say, I bring my toy to school. You should say, I brought my toy to school. Brought is the past tense of bring. Say again.
I brought my toy to school.
Last time.
I brought my toy to school.